Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in our previous session, through an example, we have learned how an expert at his level could use this Anurupya Sutra in finding the cube of a two-digit number. And now, in this session, we are going to have a look at one more example. So why to wait? Let us see. The example that I am going to take here is find the cube of 34. So friends, to find the cube of 34, at first we had to make a table as shown here. I think you have pretty idea about the rows that we have used in Anurupya Sutra at beginners level in our previous sessions. Here too we use the same process, but at very short level we are going to get the answers very quickly. Now coming to the table, in the first row, in the first part, we had to keep the digit in tens place of the given number. So here in the example 34, we are having the digit in tens place as 3. So by cubing the number 3, we get 27 as the answer, and this 27 I have written in the next row called simplification over here. Moving to the second part, here we have to multiply the square of digit in tens place with the digit in ones place. Since in the given example 34, we have 3 in tens place and 4 in ones place. So 3 square into 4 is equals to 9 into 4, and which is equals to 36, and the number 36 I have written in the next row called simplification over here. Moving to the third part, here we have to multiply the digit in tens place with the square of the digit in ones place. So therefore 3 into 4 square is equals to 3 into 16, which is equals to 48, and the answer 48 I have written in the next row called simplification over here. And finally, coming to the fourth part, here we have to cube the digit in ones place of the given number. So here in the number 34 we have 4 in ones place. By cubing the number 4 we get 64 as the answer, and 64 I have written in the next row called simplification over here. After finishing first row process, moving to second row, here we have to double the third part and the second part of the first row answers what we have got. So here in the second part of the first row we have got 36, and if we double the number 36 we get 72 as the answer, and that 72 I have written over here. And in the third part we have got 48 as the answer, and if we double the number 48 we get 96, and that 96 I have written over here. After finishing the second row process, moving to the third row, what we have to do here is we have to add up all the answers what we have got in first row as well as in second row. So coming to the fourth part, here we don't have any other numbers to add up. So therefore, I have written the number 64 as it is directly in the answer over here. Moving to the third part, here we have 48 and 96 as the answers. By adding these two answers, we get 144, and I have written that 144 over here. Moving to the second part, we have 36 and 72. By adding these two answers, we get 108 as the answer, and this 108 I have written over here. Now moving to the first part, we have 27, the only one number, and we don't have any other numbers to add up. So that is why I have written that 27 directly here in the third row in the first part as the answer. After getting the first part, second part, third part and fourth part answers in the third row, now what we have to do here is we have to add up all the answers by using some special rules of additions and carry-ons. Now if you come and observe in the fourth part, the answer what we have got is 64. But according to our rules, we should get only one digit. So therefore, now what I am going to do here is I am going to take the digit in ones place, that is 4. And the remaining number, that is 6, should be taken as carry on. So here I have taken 4, and the number 6 I have taken as carry on to the third part. And now in the third part, the answer what we have got is 144, and by adding the carry on 6 to it we get 150. But according to our rules, we should get only one digit. So therefore again I am taking the digit in ones place, that is 0, and the remaining number 15 I am taking it as carry on to the second part. And in the second part, the answer what I have got is 108, and by adding the carry on 15 I will get 123 as the answer. But again 123, it is a 3-digit number. We have to take the digit in ones place. Why? Because our rule says that we have to take only one digit. So therefore, I am taking the digit 3, that is the digit in 1's place, and the remaining 2 digits, that is 12, should be taken as carry on to the first part. Now here in the first part, we have got the answer as 27, and by adding the carry on 12 to it, we get 39 as the answer. Since there are no other parts to take as the carry ons, now what I am going to do here is I am going to write the answer as it is here. And now by clubbing all the answers what I have got, that is 39304, I am going to get the final answer of the cube of 34, that is equals to 39,304, and therefore I can say that 34 cube is equals to 39,304. So guys, this is the way how we can use in finding the cubes of a given 2-digit number by using Anurupiana Sutra at an expert level. I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Anurupiya Sutra. And in the next session, we will be having one more example in finding the cube of a given 2-digit number by using Anurupiya Sutra at expert level. For watching this video, thank you. Have a nice day.